most important thing about this car is it drives like a go-kart.
No.
Welcome back to an all-new episode of Complex. Today we're here at the Xtreme Xperience in Joliet, Illinois. This here is the Autobahn where you can go ahead and experience supercars for your very own. Now this here is designed to go ahead and give you a thrill ride without the full price. So in this episode here we'll be seeing exactly what they're all about. So if you guys wanted to learn more about it, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for starters, we're going to go ahead and get checked in, followed by a brief class. This class gives us a quick guideline in terms of how to go ahead and drive, as well as learn about the rules behind driving. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start this off. We're gonna be doing the ride along first. It's gonna give us a better taste of the lap. I think that's actually a good idea, especially if you're trying to learn more about the track that you're racing and if you've never been on it. So we're gonna go ahead and try this thing out and see what this is about.
Autobahn Country Club on the north side.
All right, let's do this.
Behind Mustang. Mustang's giving us the wave. Everybody wait to smash it.
So overall, it was a great way to go ahead and educate ourselves of exactly how the track works. Kind of gives you an idea how it plays out. I would highly recommend it, especially for the extra buck. Gives you a different aspect of how to go ahead and drive on it, especially if it's your first time. Now, my oldest brother has the GT3 RS, and then my other brother has the Lamborghini Evo. You can actually see their channels down below. Let's go ahead and jump into our Ferrari and try this out.
Deal here at North Track of Autobahn with Xtreme Xperience. We are in the beautiful red, cherry red, Lamborghini Huracán Evolution Edition.
All right, Rahil and Connor here in the GT3 RS.
Throttle! Woo! That's right. Okay. Brake. Lift.
Good driving. Love it.
Brake. Nope. Easy, easy. Get aggressive. There you go. Open that wheel. Exit that wheel.
Lift. Little brake. Lift. Turn. No power.
A little bit of brake. Turn it in. Get your eyes up. Find that next Kona deal. Oh my God, this is so fun!
Good. Lift. Wait for the cone. Tighter. Good. More power. Full power.
Nice. Beautiful. Brake. Stay outside. Don't go early. Get ready. Slow hands. Get it in.
Off the brakes. Turn this on in. Good. Then we get on the power early. Perfect. Alright, we're looking for bidding this time. Alright, yeah, as soon as the Lamborghini rolled out, this guy.
That's what's up.
150 horses.
Oh man, that was actually a lot of fun. I was surprised on how smooth this car is. Definitely compared to the Lambo, a lot more comfortable, a lot more relaxed. And you can tell that this thing handles turns just like no other. It's incredible. The amount of technology behind it, you can tell that they really did refine it quite well. It's a Ferrari, what more can you say, you know? Alright, overall that was an exciting experience, so let's go ahead and try out the McLaren next and see how this bad boy handles.
The most important thing about this car is it drives like a go-kart. That's it, Con. How was it?
All right, that was fun.
So nice driving. I enjoyed
Yeah,
that.
man.
Thanks
Thank
for keeping
you.
us safe.
How was that conflict?
Oh, that was a lot of fun. Yeah.
Good
I think it's
experience?
a different car though.
Yeah.
It's definitely more raw. That's a fact.
All right, for the Ferrari or the McLaren, which one you take?
McLaren, hands down.
Really?
I'm a driver's car. That's a driver's car. The Ferrari's just way too smooth. So as you already seen, that cool looking drone footage was actually shot by this gentleman right over here. This here is Dan Z. Thank you again for that footage. That was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, thank you, man. No problem.
Tell us a little bit about your drones. These things are pretty wicked. As you can tell, these are 3D printed, and I see that there's a GoPro attached to it.
Yeah, so most of the filming I was doing today was with this 7-inch drone that's kind of set up for going really, really fast and chasing these cars that are going super fast. You know, and this is all self-built right here. You know, I carbon fiber frame, 3D printed parts that I design and print myself.
And you also have a smaller one too, right? Is that
Yeah, so you know, different drones for different purposes. This is something that I would also use for chasing cars and stuff, but this guy with the bigger props does a little better with keeping up at higher speeds.
Awesome.
You know, this guy is really great for really quick, agile kind of maneuvers.
How long have you been doing drone flying?
I started out with a Mavic probably in like 2016, and then I saw a Mr. Steele video on YouTube in like 2018, and I basically never touched the Mavic again afterwards. So yeah, since 2018, so that puts me at about 3 years now.
Wow, absolutely amazing. All right, so we're about to get a demo of how he actually flies these, so let's go ahead and see what it can do.
Okay, you ready?
All right. Whoa, oh my God. That's That is absolutely incredible. Whoa. That's insane, man. That thing is so stable, huh?
I try to keep it stable. I mean, there's no automated control or anything like that.
Yeah.
You know, like the Mavic, you can put the Mavic up in the sky, take your hands off the controls, and it'll just hover in place.
Yeah. I just saw like when you went up, you kind of let go of the throttle.
Yeah.
Drop. That's dope.
Yep.
That is crazy. Thank you once again, and if you guys want to go ahead and check out his link down below, if you guys want to contact him, you can do that as well. And yeah, thank you. All right, well, there you guys have it. Overall, a great experience. Now, with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.